Hello, welcome to this new instrument session. So guys, please get ready because here is the chapter 2 of our DIY recording studio spot at home. DIY recording studio at home. Chapter 2. Great music is being produced all the time in bedrooms, garage, and basements by normal people like you and me, often with little more than a computer, a smartphone, and some headphones. The recording process. Prepare your device. Get ready before start. You will need 2 electronic devices. Smartphone to record your voice, computer or iPad to download the track that you will use as a guide. Headphones to listen the guided song, using them so when you begin to record, it only catches your voice and not the outside sound. Prepare your recording studio spot. You will need DIY pop filter to get a better quality sound. Lyrics for you to do not forget the lyrics when you start recording. Voice booth. Place your smartphone in the voice booth and tape your pop filter. Pay attention to the explanation and follow the instructions step by step. Voice booth. What is a voice booth for? A portable vocal booth is an audio isolation setup that creates an acoustically treated space for your microphone. By isolating the microphone, they assist in preventing reflections of walls, echoes, reverbs, and background noises. Absorbing unwanted noise, an isolation shield will ensure that your voice is delivered with upgraded quality and cleanliness. There are a great solution to combat poor room acoustics and minimize noise. Using a vocal booth, you can expect an increased quality in vocal recordings, just your vocals. To create a voice booth at home, we will need a big plastic container. Could be a carton box or a little space in a closet. A blanket, a pillow, your DIY pop filter, and tape. Note: ask for an adult help. If you have these elements at home, you can start working on your DIY voice booth. Then create a room, create a space when you can have at home your recording studio spot. Remember that you have to be sure that your device, when you are going to record your voice, have plenty space. With you, my helper. He's showing you the correct position. You need to be in front of your DIY pop filter and start singing. Not too close, not too far. If you don't have at home a container box like the one that I show you or a carton box, you can use your closet. Just pick a space, empty that space, and fulfill it with a pillow and your blanket. Recording time. Yes, finally. When you finish recording your voice, check that the sound is as clean as possible. In case you need to correct tuning or tempo, you can re-record yourself as many times as necessary until you are ready. When you are completely done, share your audio to email or Google Drive. If you have any question, you can contact me as soon as possible. Okay, guys, now that you have your own recording studio at home, yeah, let's make it work. Now you can sing the song that I already uploaded to your Schoology. Please follow the instructions. Follow the instructions step by step. I'll be waiting for those tracks. I am so excited to hear you again. So go work. If you have any question, you can contact me to my email address or to Schoology. Bye. Have fun.